is cabin 11146. This is an Aurea balcony. Let's go in and take a look. So as you walk in, the decor is going to be a little bit different in this balcony because it's an Aurea balcony, but the layout is going to be about the same. So you have your closets right here, the one that Lisa's at that's all hanging. This one here is shelves as well as a safe. Well, actually, it's drawers. That's right, Aurea is drawers. Regular cabins are a safe. All right, you have a king-size bed or 2 twins when separated, a couple nightstands, no extra power there. Across from this, you have your mini fridge, hair dryer, a little stool down there, nice mirror, and again, somebody is on their honeymoon here, and a decent-sized TV. Again, that sofa can convert typically to a bed if you need it to. The balcony is a little bit bigger than most. It's a little bit deeper. Part of the Aurea balconies. You got a great look forwards and backwards. Let's go look at the bathroom. Nice corner shower with glass doors. Toilet is a great place for someone my height. I'm 6'4", so it's great for the tall or fluffy. Single basin sink. There's 3 shelves. Power up there. Storage down beneath. Nice balcony cabin. Let us know if you think having some extra perks is worth the Aurea balcony. Ciao.